Every JavaScript developer faces bugs. The difference is how quickly they find and fix them. Today, you'll learn the professional debugging workflow used in real-world JavaScript development. We'll build a simple task manager and intentionally break it. Real bugs, real debugging. Let's connect the Save button. Looks correct? Or is it? Don't edit the code yet. Read the error. Null means JavaScript couldn't find something. The stack trace tells you exactly where the error happened. Use it. Don't search hundreds of lines manually. Quick interview question. What is a stack trace? The sequence of function calls that produce the error. Console.log works, but it's not your only tool. Console.log is for general information. Console.warn highlights potential problems. And Console.error is for actual failures. Using the right method makes your debugging much easier. Now stop guessing. Use breakpoints. Here, the app should show completed tasks, but something is wrong. Instead of adding random console logs, let's pause the application and inspect what is really happening. A breakpoint tells JavaScript, pause here. I want to inspect the current state before continuing. Now the program is frozen. We can inspect the real data stored in memory. Here is the bug. Our data uses completed, but our code checks complete. One missing character caused the feature to fail. Save and run again. Now let's verify the result. Breakpoints also allow us to control execution line by line. Step into enters another function so we can understand what happens inside. Step over moves through the current function without entering any functions it calls. Watch variables let you monitor values as your code runs. As soon as the data changes, you can instantly see whether your fix worked. Notice what's happening. The loop works perfectly. The problem is the data. This task doesn't have a title, so calling to uppercase causes the error. We can fix it safely using optional chaining. Some errors are expected. Instead of crashing the application, try catch lets us handle them gracefully and keep the app running. Let's debug a real API request. The code looks fine, but the request still fails. Instead of guessing, open the Network tab, check the status code, and inspect the URL. Fix the endpoint, run it again, and everything works as expected. Whenever you run into a bug, don't jump straight into changing code. Follow a simple process. Understand the problem, investigate it, fix it, and then make sure it's really solved. You've learned how to read errors, use Chrome DevTools, inspect your code, debug API requests, and follow a clear debugging process. Remember, every bug is a clue. The goal is to find the root cause, not just the symptom. Debugging isn't about writing perfect code. It's about knowing how to solve problems when they happen. As projects grow, one JavaScript file becomes hundreds. Next, you'll learn JavaScript modules and modern project structure, the foundation of every professional application.